Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Samsung Galaxy A36 5G smartphone. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password, pin or pattern. As you can see, incorrect pin entered. Here you can see incorrect pin entered. Okay, to do hard reset, first connect your Samsung Galaxy A36 5G to the laptop and PC with the help of USB cable. Okay, now I'm going to connect it to the laptop with the help of this USB cable. Now connect it to the laptop with the help of USB cable. As you can see, it is successfully connected. Okay, now if we press and hold the power key and try to power off the smartphone, here you can see enter pin to turn off your phone. Okay, to restart the phone, press and hold the volume down and power button together until the screen turn off. Now wait a bit and now press and hold the volume up and power button together for a few seconds and hold it. Do not release and now release. So here you can see, now unplug the USB cable. So now here you can see, now you are in Android recovery mode. Here volume keys to move up and down and power button to confirm. So you can see now you are in Android recovery mode. So here go to wipe data factory reset and confirm, and you can see wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. All data on this device will be erased. If your SD card is encrypted, all data stored on your SD card will also be lost. Now go to factory data reset and confirm, and you can see data wipe complete. Now reboot system now. And guys, after hard reset might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard reset might again ask for password, pin or pattern. Use Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset Samsung Galaxy A36 5G smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.